Hello everyone, my name is Spectre and welcome back to another video. I'm back with my Windows 10 activation tutorial Redux. Now a year ago I made the same tutorial, but I didn't get a lot of views on it. So I mean, why not make an updated version where the link actually works? Now, the program we're going to use is actually the same one from our last video in 2019, but I'm just going to make it better in every way. So yeah, first thing we need to do is we need to make sure that our Windows ES is indeed not activated. Now, as you can see, the activation is not activated. Windows reported that it has no activate product key. So, and as you can see, you need to activate Windows. If I just quickly, as you can see, you need to activate Windows if you want to change your background. So, how do we fix this? Well, first of all, we have to go into our browser of choice and then going into the link that I've provided in the description. Now, it says that it has a warning. You're trying to download a potential virus. However, I have tested this and it is not a virus. I have used it on my primary machine, but this is just showing you guys that it does work. Now, just go into your downloads folder and here should be the zip file. You want to drag it into your desktop. Optionally, you can get 7-zip and extract this. However, we can just use the default extractor and extract it into the KMS Auto net folder. Now you won't need this anymore, so you can just throw that into the recycle bin. Just double click this, make sure you don't run the 1.5.11, use the normal one. So you right click and run as administrator if you can. If you can't, try opening it normally. However, with maximum success, you want to run it as administrator. Now, smart screen was the red thing that just popped up. Just click on more details and click on run anyway, and then the UAC will pop up and just click run again. Now, just wait a bit. You can see that the program starts. Wait for it a bit because my VM is pretty slow. Now it says here, the system has problems with activation. That just means that your Windows is not activated. All you gotta do is click this button right here and click this button right here, and you can activate Windows. Now, it also gives you an option to activate Office, and if you want Microsoft Office, that's a thing you can do as well. But for now, we can just activate Windows, and you can just come back into this program later if you want to do Office as well. Now, I've done Office too. This will pop up. You can enter your own key, but just click continue if you don't want to mess with that. Once you click continue, this will show you all the things it's doing. You don't have to pay attention to any of it or understand it. It's just showing you what it's doing for activating. So, yep, now it says it here, successful, should be good. Yep, there. Now, it will pop up task in task scheduler to create a reactivation task scheduler. Now, KMSauto.net might be revoked after a few months, so your Windows might get unactivated. So if you want to prevent that from ever happening, you can click yes, but it's rarely going to happen. I would do it if you don't mind it, but I'm going to say no. That doesn't really matter because your system is already activated. All you gotta do now is restart your computer, and if we just quickly restart our computer. Alright, so after you restart your computer, what you want to do is you want to go back into here in your Windows, click on settings, and it will bring up the settings, and click in the system tab, and you want to go down to about and scroll down to here where it says change product key or upgrade your activation. As you can see, no more activation banner here. It says the Windows is activated using your organization's activation service. It also says you have a product key, and if we just go back to home, scroll down, you can see that this tab is gone as well as the background. So yeah, make sure you do the restart because yeah, as you can see, you can change your wallpaper to this one looks nice, I guess. This one looks for dark theme people. Yeah, the main thing you gotta do is you want to make sure that you restart your computer, because if you don't restart, some settings may not change because Windows only changes their source files if you restart. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy the video, please leave a like, subscribe. If you have any problems with it, comment down below. I'll help you out as much as I can. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, and peace out.